color in the car we sit in. My name is Tita. He, Tisita, Mira, and enjoy our show.
At first, our cute little KG2 students voted on the activities they wanted for their project approach. Most of them chose the natural colors. Now, let's start making our colors from raw materials.
All right. Let's start dyeing our fabrics.
All right, it's coloring time!
All right. Let's start designing our picture frames.
finish this fun activities. Let's cook a delicious sweet snack for our young boys and girls.
Combine the ingredients, young coconut meat, coconut milk, sugar, and a little amount of salt, in a mixing bowl. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Combine the flour and natural dyes extracted from various colored flowers, and knead it to make a dough.
Okay, let's start cooking.
Everyone, come and let's taste our delicious, sweet, colorful, sticky rice balls in a coconut milk. It's so yummy.
In conclusion, the Kindergarten 2-to-1 project incorporating natural materials such as flowers and wood, along with cooking sweet activities, fosters creativity, environmental awareness, and sensory development. It enhances problem-solving abilities, fine motor skills, and teamwork, providing a well-rounded and engaging educational experience.